Okay, so now we have ourselves a way to change the text of an object. But now we want to add something to it. And we want to add something that does not exist yet. We want to add whatever it is someone types in here. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, the way we're going to do it, there's going to be multiple ways, but this is a lecture going over different aspects of Visual Basic. So, we're going to make a new bucket for something, some sort of data. And we're going to make it in a thin air. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in dim. Dim stands for declare in memory. Basically, now that I've just put the word dim in there, and make sure it's not inside any of your private subs so that it's actually for everything, because where you put your dim is important. If you put it up here, okay, it understands that it's going to be used in multiples of these. If you put it just inside one of these, it's not going to remember it until you click that button or something like that. So, I have now declared in memory something. What is it going to be called? I'm going to declare this my name. So I have now said I am declaring in memory a spot called my name. So the computer knows, hey, remember this word, my name. It's going to be important later. And what is it? It's going to be as. See, it's even telling me what it's as. And what is it? Is it a text? Is it a text box? Is it a tool? Is it a X object? Whatever. This is where you go into your variable types. We could make this as an integer, which means it's a number. We could make this a Boolean, which would mean it's either a yes or a no, a true or a false. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a string. And I'm going to make this a string. So a string is a series of strokes on your keyboard. That includes letters, that includes numbers, that includes symbols. So basically, this right here, this is a label, that's a string right there. So I'm saying I'm going to make sure that this thing called my name is a string. So, for example, if now I were to change this from hello world to hello, and then I will now add, I believe I just need an ampersand there, and my name, there we go, should work. I'm not getting any errors. So now, I say that, hey, my name is a string, and I'm saying that my text is now going to be hello and my name. Remember, my name is right here. My name is also right here. They're both spelled the same. So this is now saying LBL answer.text is now going to be equal to hello and my name. What is my name? My name is a string. I'm adding a string and a string together. This should not cause any errors. But now if I start, and I name this, I don't know, I'm just going to say David. So now this should say hello. Oh, and it's not actually doing it. Okay, so now, what might be the problem we're having? Instead of this, should it be a plus? Let's try a plus. Let's see if that happens. Let's see if that works. If we're adding these two things together. So now let me try this again. David. Oh, it's still not doing it. So, why is it not doing this? Can you tell me why? I bet you might know why. Because we never declare what my name has. So, what we're going to need to do is we're going to let this computer know what object has my name. So, we're going to say, and remember, what object is this? This is my txt enter text, right here, my text box. So, txt enter text, there it is, dot text equal, oh, actually, no, I should probably do this on the other way around. My name equals txt enter text dot text. So now, txt enter text dot text is my name. I have declared what it is, and it's a string. But now, what specifically is it? Oh, the string I'm getting from this object right here. I'm getting it from the text of my text box. So now, when I say my name, instead of being an invisible number of nothing, or an invisible string of nothing, it's now saying, oh, I'm making sure that this is my object. Oh, and make sure you declare it before you put this in here, because the computer goes in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's saying what my name is before it's adding my name to our formula. So now when I type in, now it remembers who I am. And of course, I can, change this to banana, and now it says hello banana. I can change this to Justin, and it says hello Justin. I can change this to all the keyboards, whatever, and now it says hello that.